Alright, this is the new project car. It's one of my friend's Supras. Unfortunately, things happen. It's one of the risks you have driving such a nice cars. Accidents do happen. Story is fortunately a deer ran out, and this is the result. You can really see the quarter panel took a big hit. We have a replacement quarter panel, a new door, new fender, bumper, hood. The only thing that we're missing right now is the A-pillar. We think we have someone that'll sell us one when we get to that point to put a new one in. The door that he bought came with door handle and a mirror. So yeah, this is probably going to be a full-on restoration. He was originally planning having me do his car actually in a few years. So the accident just bumped up that timeline. Yeah, it's kind of cool. My car used to be red. This black one used to be red. Now it's black. So it's kind of nostalgia seeing a red one here for me. So he has some of the stuff stripped down already. The engine's taken out. We need to finish taking out all the stuff in here. The interior needs to be stripped down more. Can't see from this side. The windows are tinted. So yeah, we need to take more of the interior out. It's gonna go on a rotisserie actually, so. That is the new project that we'll be doing, guys. So hopefully I give you guys some more content.